And we're back in the gym. This time I'm here to show you girls my updated glute focused leg day. So I like to keep things really basic, really simple. I like to stick to those staple workouts. So I'm just going to give you guys a look at what my glute day looks like. I did switch a few different workouts around because I got bored of what I was doing before. And now I'm really liking my updated exercises. So let's get started with some hack squats. I love hack squat machine, you guys. So I'm only showing you guys like my first sets, and then from there I basically will do 4 sets of like 8 to 12 reps depending on my weight. But hack squat is really great when you have a higher stance. I like to kind of do a sumo for the glutes, and I feel it in my cheeks. It's all about your foot placement with these. Any type of squat, I personally feel like sumo really targets my glutes personally because of my leg proportions. It just feels more comfortable on me, and it's what I've always done. So such a staple. This is also your friendly reminder to wipe down your machines before and after you use them, because some girls don't be wearing underwear. And I'm missing coochie juice, okay? So we're gonna go in with some hip abductors. There's so many different variations at my gym. I do like to use a couple in my routine, but this one really helps to target the outer glutes. So if you want to build round glutes, you need to focus on all 3 muscle groups: the medius, the minimus, and the maximus. So this is really going to help give you that round, lifted, juicy peach that I feel a lot of us want. And this is such a staple in my glute focused leg day because it really targets the booty all together, and I feel the burn so freaking much. And this next one, of course, is out of focus. I always do hip thrust or like a glute bridge variation on my glute days. Sorry, my voice is going in and out. This really targets your glutes as a whole. If you want lifted shelf booty, you gotta start doing some hip thrusts. There's other variations you could do on machines. I just use the barbell setup. You could do this on the Smith machine, which I used to do, but personally I feel it's so much more in this setup, and I literally can't walk after doing these. And I'm gonna move into one of my newest exercises that I've implemented into my glute days, which would be good mornings on the V squat machine. This really targets your hamstrings, which I feel lift the glutes. So if you want a lifted round booty, do these. And I like to start with warm-ups. I don't count my warm-ups as a set, by the way, but this also targets your glutes and a little bit of your lower back. This is definitely my favorite workout right now. I'm still currently paying for this workout because I'm so sore, but I want to give you guys a look at the back so you could see how nicely this will sculpt your legs from the back. I'm talking your hamstrings will be popping, your glutes will be lifted. It's just such a good staple exercise, and I can't believe I was missing out on this workout. Like, you can't tell me my hamstrings aren't hamstringing. Like, they look so good, and I never noticed because I can't see that. So it's also really good to film yourself so you could see your form if you're doing something new, and you can get more comfortable doing different exercises that way when you can kind of perfect your form. And lastly, I'm adding in some glute medius kickbacks back into my routine. This really targets the outer booty, and I couldn't really film myself doing it because it was in such an awkward spot in my gym, but it's such a good way to finish off your glute day. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys try this routine out.
Claro que va a morir y no leyenda como Kobe. Primero la lealtad y de segundo va el money. Pero tú eres una neta y ponete que tú vas a quedar lonely. Los punch que tiramos y que son certeros.